Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's just Jay, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I do beauty videos, fashion videos, lifestyle, travel, a little bit of everything. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. So for today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing, as you know by the title. I went to Gucci and I purchased some sandals. I have a birthday coming up and I just wanted to treat myself. So here we are. I'm going to have my handy dandy notes here so I don't forget anything. But let's get into it. So here you have just the standard packaging, the shopping bag, the receipt, and then the box in and of itself. Just gonna unbox it. So I went into the Gucci location in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I was helped by Lewis. Lewis is good, he's awesome. He'll definitely get you what you need. So the price of these shoes, I paid $700 plus tax. Tax was $50.75, bringing me to a total of $750.75. Yeah, like I said before, these sandals was purchased in Gucci in South Park Mall. Mariella is also my essay. She's really good. She was just a little busy, so she referred me to Lewis for some help. I am a US size 9. My foot is true to size. In this shoe, I opted for a 40.5 just because I wanted some extra space in the back. I hate my heel hanging over a shoe. I prefer my heel like inside of the shoe. Yeah, so product details. We have orange leather. It's a women's shoe. It's the Interlocking G cutout leather sole sandal. So without further ado, I'm just gonna open the sandal, and they come in these two canvas dust bags. So here you have the shoe. This one, get the other. And yeah, I opted for the orange color because I do have an orange Gucci purse that I wear from time to time. I have a black Gucci, these black Gucci sandals. I have like a platinum gold color. I have pink. I have a brown sandal. So I just wanted something, different in my closet. I really don't have a lot of orange shoes. So I just wanted to be different. Yeah, so like I said before, it's the orange leather. It's cut out with the Interlocking GG logo. The sole of the shoe is leather. It feels like really good, honestly, like very comfortable. So the heel height is a 1/4 of a 10th inch. I think, is it a 1/4? About, I don't have my measuring line or tape right now, but it was made in Italy. They're very strong and durable. Like, these shoes are strong. They're not going anywhere. They're solid. I can't really bend them. Yeah. So for care, obviously I just unboxed them, so I haven't worn them yet, but in terms of care, like you guys know, like I'm not really new to this. I love my Gucci sandals. I definitely keep them in the box, in the dust bag at all times. I wipe them dry before and after each use, just to make sure that they maintain the original shape. Not only that, but also to make sure that humidity isn't causing the leather to peel or anything over time. I definitely love these shoes, these sandals. Um, they're definitely beautiful and like just feels really good to the touch. Also, you want to make sure that you handle these sandals with care. Like you don't want to, go out in adverse weather conditions such as rain, sleet, snow, or hail with these sandals. I don't know why you'd be wearing these sandals like in hail or during rain, but hey, to each his own. All my shoes, I definitely, like I said before, I keep them stuffed with tissue paper in the original dust bag and the original box. So that's how I have like shoes that I've been wearing for like over 15, 20 years and they still look new because I keep all my original packaging. For cleaning, I just grab like a towel and I just went to Walmart and just bought like this white towel. And this is what like I would keep to just wipe my shoes down once I'm done wearing it. It doesn't matter if your shoe has like dirt and grime. Just wipe your shoes down. Like it costs nothing whatsoever to just keep your shoes clean, nice, and orderly. Especially if you're going to, I wouldn't say break the bank because I didn't really break the bank with these, but for some, everyone has different financial statuses. So not really, I wouldn't really consider this breaking the bank because if you're going to get these, you're going to get them. You're not breaking the bank. But hey, we're not all the same. Not everyone's gonna splurge on these sandals, and that's fine. Yeah, I can't wait to wear them. I'm going to get like a mat to put here and try them on. I hate trying new shoes on like gravel or whatever. I don't know if you can see. So I'm back, and I know you guys are like, what happened? I got cut off, so you guys really couldn't see my sandal, and I didn't know that. Now that I know, I'm going to try them on. So I'm barefoot. We definitely don't wear sandals or shoes in the house. So that's why I'm walking around barefoot, and I have like a little microfiber rug here because I'm not going to start wearing shoes at home. Just so you guys understand. So here are the sandals. Like I said before, they are super sleek, super cute, very fashion forward, but very like subtle, So here they are. I did not plan this outfit, honestly. I just threw this on. Love them. I'm actually, prepared for a trip in a few days, so I have, my suitcases are already packed up, so I can't just open a suitcase to get my orange Gucci Interlocking G purse. It's an older purse. I purchased this purse, actually it was a gift about 5-6 years ago for my birthday. I think it was 2019. They were purchased for me as a gift. So that's what I definitely plan on wearing with these sandals. And like I said before, like they're just amazing. They feel great. And they're just sexy and cute. Like it's like peekaboo. I could see your toes, but I could also see like, the bridge of your feet. So I would definitely 10 out of 10 recommend. I haven't worn them yet, clearly, because it's an unboxing video, but I am going to wear them in about a week, and I'll insert some pictures just so you guys can see. If you are interested in any more of my unboxing videos, I know this is quick, but just like, comment, share, subscribe, and can't wait to see you soon. I love you guys. Peace.